repairing the tyre machine. So as you can see, there was no welding on this part of the bracket, just a small piece here. So we are going to weld this side as well as we are going to weld along here as well, but you can see the crack, look at that. And that was why that lever arm was coming down. Obviously we've had to grind this piece off here, so we've got an earthing point. But I think what we're going to try and do is actually try and MIG this, because we were actually really impressed with how that MIG that wheel bearing outside. So we're going to give this a go, and we'll keep you updated with the progress. Right, as we attempt to weld, in fact we're going to go with the MIG welding to see if the MIG can do this. If not, we'll revert to the arc. I'll move that out of the way for you. What do you reckon, guys? Do you reckon we're going to be able to MIG 6mm plate? We are going to do both sides to see, but over to our tame welding driver. First little bead with that little hitbox. What we're worried about is obviously the penetration, but if it does crack, we're going to do both sides. If it does crack, then we will have to use the arc welder. So we are using the £79 welder.
Oh, I am. I can't believe it. I'll shut my mouth next time. I won't take mick.
Let me just show the guys of what this has actually done, just so you guys can see this. Right, so this little £79, look how thick that is, and look, it's actually managed to penetrate the steel. So we're hopeful that this little hitbox 200 can weld the tyre machine. So let's see what we can do. Obviously we're going to go over some bits there, but that is that £79 welder on full blast. We have done the other side. We will continue this as much as we can to get as much on there as possible, but as you can see, so far so good.